Hi guys, good day everyone. So right now I just want to share with you the tips on how to reach our goals in life and how to step up in life. So number one, put God first. So in everything we do, whether we play, whether we work, lahat ng ginagawa natin everyday, so God must be the center of everything, especially sa buhay natin. So always pray and always give thanks to the Lord. And number two is dream big. So kung mangarap man tayo guys, mas maganda kung lakihan na natin. Kasi sabi sa kasabihan, libre lang ang mangarap. Right? So kung hindi man natin matupad yung mga pangarap natin, at least we try to dream. And at the same time, so we must work on our dreams, especially sa mga goals sa buhay. So kailangan meron tayong pangarap sa buhay para maging successful. And number three is surround yourself with positive people. So sabi nga sa kasabihan, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. So mas maganda if yung mga nakakasama natin everyday sa buhay natin ay positive mindset. So mas maganda na lalo't megit yung mga nakasama sa buhay ay business minded, something like that. So always surround yourself with positive people. And number four is never give up. So especially guys, kung nandun na tayo sa point na malapit na natin ma-reach yung ating mga dreams and goals sa buhay natin, don't give up. Never give up. Kasi sa buhay natin, there are a lot of challenges, there are a lot of obstacles, there are a lot of tribulations that we might be encountered along the way. But don't give up. Yes, that is part of life na kailangan natin maka-encounter ng mga things or ng mga problems na somehow makapagpa-down sa atin, but still focus. At the same time, don't give up. And pag na-experience natin mga bagay na like problems or tribulations, actually yun ang magiging way para maging strong tayo sa buhay. And number five, always take good care of your health. So this is very important, especially guys, lalo pag nagkatrabaho tayo at especially pag tayo ay may pangarap sa buhay. So the first thing that we need to do is we must take good care of your body. We must take good care of our health. Kasi ito ang pinakapuho nating lahat, ang ating katawan. So, use this din if may sakit tayo. So, how can reach our goals in life? Diba? Yes, and number six, don't forget to share. So, kung meron ka na, mas maganda magbahagi ka rin sa iba. That's all. Thank you.